photosynthesis mean? The term is actually derived from two words, photo, which means light, and synthesis, which means to combine two or more things together. However, a better definition of photosynthesis is that it is the process of converting light energy into chemical energy. How does this process occur? For photosynthesis to occur, we need chlorophyll. This is present in the chloroplasts of autotrophs, such as plants and algae. The chlorophyll will trap the light energy. It then uses that energy to react carbon dioxide with water to make sugars. Below we have a balance equation that is summarizing this process. However, this process is not as simple as it may seem. We will examine this in more details after the next slide. On this slide, there is a summary of the reactants and products of photosynthesis. At the bottom, we have the conditions that must be present in order for the process to occur. Now we will look at the two stages that are involved in photosynthesis. The first of these two stages is called light-dependent stage or light stage. In this stage, light energy from the sun is used to split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. This is called photolysis. Photo means light, while the word lysis means to break apart. So we are basically using light energy to break apart the water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. When these bonds are broken, energy is released. The energy is temporarily stored on a molecule called ATP, and it will be used in the next stage of this process. At the bottom, we have a summary of this process taking place. We can see that the water molecule is split into hydrogen and oxygen. The next stage does not require light energy, and it is therefore called light-independent stage or dark reaction. In this stage, hydrogen that was made in the light stage, that is from the splitting of the water molecules, will combine with the carbon dioxide in a reduction reaction to form sugars. Glucose is the main sugar that is made during this reaction. At the bottom, we have an equation to represent this reaction. So let us now summarize what happens during photosynthesis. At the beginning, chlorophyll will absorb the light energy. This energy will then cause water molecules to split into hydrogen and oxygen. The oxygen will be given off at this point. Some energy is also given off. In the final stage, carbon dioxide will combine with hydrogen to form sugars. Let us now briefly look